This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
In a charming seaside village, there lived a young boy named Tommy. Tommy adored flying kites, and his favorite was a vibrant red kite with a long, flowing tail. It was a special gift from his grandmother, who had a knack for making even the simplest things feel magical. Every afternoon, Tommy would rush to the beach to let his kite dance in the sky, feeling the thrill of freedom and adventure. One breezy summer day, as Tommy was flying his beloved kite, a sudden gust of wind yanked the string from his hands. He watched in dismay as the kite soared higher and higher, carried away by the strong wind until it vanished over the sand dunes and into the dense forest beyond. Tommy ran after it, but the kite was already out of sight. Feeling defeated, he sat down on the sand, tears welling up in his eyes. Seeing his distress, Tommy's grandmother, who had been watching from a distance, came over and sat beside him. "What's the matter, Tommy?" she asked gently. "My kite is gone, Grandma," Tommy replied, his voice trembling. "The wind took it away, and now I'll never see it again." His grandmother smiled kindly and patted his shoulder. "Sometimes, life can be like that wind, taking things away from us. But remember, Tommy, resilience means not giving up, even when things seem tough. Let's go find your kite together." Hand in hand, they ventured into the forest. The tall trees and thick underbrush made the search challenging, but Grandma encouraged Tommy to keep looking. "Persistence pays off, my dear," she said. "When you don't give up, you often find more than what you were looking for." They combed through the forest, calling out for the lost kite. Hours passed, but they didn't stop. Eventually, they reached a small clearing bathed in the golden light of the setting sun. There, caught in the branches of a tall tree, was Tommy's red kite. Overjoyed, Tommy climbed the tree and carefully retrieved his kite. As he descended, he noticed a small, carved wooden heart hanging from one of the branches. "Look, Grandma, it's a heart." His grandmother smiled warmly. "That's a sign, Tommy. It's a reminder that even when things seem tough, love and persistence can help us find our way." Tommy nodded, feeling a sense of accomplishment and gratitude. The journey had taught him more than just the value of his kite. It had shown him the importance of resilience and not giving up. They returned to the village with the red kite and the wooden heart, Tommy feeling proud of his determination. From that day on, whenever he faced a challenge, he remembered his grandmother's lesson about resilience and the rewards of persistence. And so, the tale of the lost kite became a cherished story in the village, reminding everyone that even when life seems difficult, not giving up can lead to unexpected and wonderful discoveries.